So I've already done this eye, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye. Don't worry, my face is shining to the glory of God. I moisturized. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to blend the concealer on my lids because we don't want all that creasing when we set. Now what happens when you don't blend and you leave the the creasing that was there and you set it with the powder? That's how it will stay. So you'd have to blend it properly. I'm starting using the GVS Place powder. This is in Kalahari. So now that this is done, we are going to go into the eyeshadow. Today's eyeshadow is very simple. Okay, we are using this Morphe James Charles palette, and we are going to use the two shades that I have indicated. So starting with the brown shade, we are going to just put that in our outer corner and up into the crease. At this point, we are only layering. Okay, so after layering, we are going to blend. We are using the same brush to just soften the edges so that it's not harsh. After this is done, I'm going to use my jumbo pencil in milk, the NYX jumbo pencil. I'm using my finger, so I'm just going to rub the tip, and then I'm using this much. Or this little. I'm going to tap that onto my lid. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with a blending brush and just set with that nude color. I'm using a blending brush because I don't want a harsh line, so just lightly tapping. And then remember, we are going for a blended look, so I'm going back into the first shade and then ever so lightly just tap to blend. You want to marry, okay, the shade together. I'm going to line using this e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner. I'm using my Dr. Brandt primer. Is this my holy grail? I think so. I just like that it works for both. It works as both primer and skincare. Really nice. Foundation time. I'm going in with this GVS Place foundation. This is in Tanzania. And one thing about this foundation is you don't need to use a lot at all. I'm just going to use this much for my full face. I'm going to highlight using my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in number 10. And then I would go in to set with my Juvia's Place powder in Kalahari. I went ahead to finish my eye look and then I popped on these lashes. It's the HS Mink lashes. It's a Ghanaian brand as well. They are pretty. So I'm going to set my face. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Glow Revolution setting spray. I'm going to list all the products I use in the description box below. So and then I'm going to go with my powder brush and press in the setting spray. Glow time! Using this Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar 2 palette, and I'm going in with this. Lastly, we are going to do the lip. I'm starting with this Imagic liquid lipstick that I got from Furcala GH. I'm going to go in with this City Color lip liner. Please blend. Okay, blend. We are done. Finally done. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's just a wearable look. If you want color, come on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle in the description box below. I do a lot of color on Instagram, but from hence on YouTube I'm going to be doing nude beats only. I like this. I do. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, and again, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I hope you learned a thing or two. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.